Hello, lovely people. You're welcome to my channel. Let's quickly solve this Harvard interview question. So we are asked to solve this without the use of a calculator. Yes, it's actually easy. Let's do it together. Okay. Now 26 is something as 13 times 3. So you're going to have 13 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of what? 3 plus 39 is something as 13 times, sorry, 26 is 13 times 2, okay, and 13 times 3 is 39 raised to the power of 3 plus 52 is 13 times 4 raised to the power of 3, and 65 is 13 times 5 raised to the power of 3. Now divided by 26 is 13 times 2 times 39 is 13 times 3 times 52 is 13 times 4 and 65 is 13 times 5. Okay, now note that when you have a times b raised to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n multiplied by b to the power of n. Okay, so that means that we can write this as 13 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3, okay, plus 13 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of 3 plus 13 to the power of 3 multiplied by 4 to the power of 3 plus 13 to the power of 3 multiplied by 5 to the power of 3. Okay, now divided by, we have this one is on its own, so 13 times 2 times 13 times 3 times 13 times 4 times 13 times 5. Okay, all right, now this is equal to, let's factorize this 13 to the power of 3 since it's common for all of them. Okay, so we factorize 13 to the power of 3. So what we are now going to have is 2 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 3. Everything divided by 13 to the power of 3. Note, we have 13 1, 13 2, 13 3. So let's call this 3 13 to the power of 3. Okay, then when that happens, multiplied by, let's repeat the remaining ones, 2 times 3 times 4 times this 13 times 5. Okay, all right, now this is going to cancel this. Remember that we are solving this without calculator, so we are going to try as much as possible to reduce this to a point where we can solve it without a calculator. Now if this is the first time you are seeing our channel, please click on the subscription button, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss our amazing videos. All right, we upload daily, so please tune in at your convenience to watch our new uploads. Give us a thumbs up if you're actually enjoying this video, and thank you. Now let's continue. So this is equal to 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 3 to the power of 3 is 27, 4 to the power of 3 is 64, 5 to the power of 3 is 125, divided by 2 times 3 times 4 times 13 times 5. Okay, all right, now let's add all that we have here. If we add everything that we have here, we are going to have 224. All right, so the numerator is going to give us 224 divided by, now if we add the denominator, okay, let's leave the denominator the way it is here so that we can easily cancel out. So we have 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 5. So this is equal to, by now looking at this, is an even number, so 2 can divide it. So let's go ahead and divide by 2 first. Now when 2 divide itself, we have 1. If you divide this 2, we have 1. Divide this 2, we have 1. Divide this 4, we have 2. Now let's see if 3 can divide this. 1 plus 1 plus 2 will give us 4. So once the sum is not divisible by 3, it simply means that it's not divisible by 3 as well. So we are going to leave 3. Let's check 4. Now 1 plus 1 plus 2 will give us 4, and 4 is divisible by 4. So it means that this can be divided by 4. Now let us try. Okay, 11 divided by 4, 4 will divide itself to give us 1. 11 divided by 4 will give us 2, 2, remainder 3, right? We have 32. 32 divided by 4 will give us 8. Now note, the divisibility law is not that, it's not a must that the number in question, once the sum is divisible by the particular number that is also, if the number can divide it. No, you have to read the divisibility law in order to know that. All right, so what we have now is 28 over 3 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 5. So this is equal to 28 divided by 3 times 5 is 15. So we have 13 times 15, right? Now 5 times this is 15, carry 1. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 1 is 1. So if we add, we have 195. Okay? Alright. So it means that this will give us 28 divided by 195. And this is the place we have to stop because we are not allowed to use our calculator. This is the simplest form of this particular question. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.